Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video of my Jimny vlogs series. So today we are at M-Craft, my friend who has my Jimny here and is willing to install the JDM parts which we imported from Japan. The parts are out here lined up. Let's have a look. So this one here is the 77R31, which means this is the front differential guard which will be fitted out here, and this one, which is the 77R41, is the rear differential guard which will be fitted back here. Okay, so the process has started. So this is something which I did not know initially. So the differential oil has to be drained out for the bracket to be installed onto the factory bolts. I cross-checked this in the installation, and here you can see it's officially written. These droplets mean that the differential oil has to be drained out. I also translated it and made sure it is true. It is. So the bracket for the guard has been installed. It sits right here. It feels extremely solid. Just getting the torque right. Okay, they are right now conducting the procedure of refilling the differential oil, and a lot of you would be thinking, like, why should you refill the same oil? Why not change the oil altogether? Well, because it has been mentioned to reuse the same oil again. We are just following instructions. This is Japanese, but I did translate it, and I will show that on the screen right now for you guys. So yes, as this is being drained in, we will do the same procedure for the rear differential guard. Okay, so the rear differential guard is also fixed and properly in place. Right now the differential oil is being refilled back into the rear differential. It's time to fit the spare wheel cover now. So this also happens to come with some instructions. Let's get this done. Okay, so before installing the cover, we removed the previous cover and giving the Jimny a decent wash, because the spare wheel was in a very bad shape, a lot of dust. So yeah, you can see the car, the water was being sprayed on the differential guards also, because we had removed the differential oil. It should not be sticky, otherwise dust will be hanging around the guards and the differential. So these things are just being done as a good practice done by M-Craft, so thank you to them. So time to unveil what's in this package. Most of you would have guessed it by now. It is a sticker, it is a badge, but what badge it is? It is this badge, the Rhino badge. So I myself am seeing it for the first time. It feels like a proper emblem, and this will go somewhere here. So that's it from me in this video. I will see you guys in the next one.